Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up port forwarding on your Execulink router through your MyExeculink customer portal. Port forwarding, sometimes called port mapping, allows computers or services in private networks to connect over the internet with other public or private computers or services. This is needed for things like security cameras and optimal gaming experience. It is also referred to as opening a port. Port forwards are set up in your Execulink router using your MyExeculink account. Please note that these steps may vary depending on the type of router you have. For simplicity, we have outlined steps to port forward on the Calyx Gigacenter router, our premium router option. Go to my.execulink.ca and sign in with your customer credentials. Under the Common Options header on the left, click on Manage Your Internet Devices. Click on the Manage button beside the router. Generally, there is only one option available, but if there's more than one, verify the serial number of the device in use. It can usually be found on the bottom of the device. Click on Port Forwarding on the main screen, and under that, click Create. A pop-up entitled New Forwarding Rule will show on screen where you can enter the details of your port forward rule. In the description field, type in a name for the forward. For example, Mikey's PlayStation. In the LAN ports field, type in the number of the LAN port number that needs to be forwarded. For example, you could write here 1, 2, or 3. In the LAN IP address field, type in the IP address where the traffic from the LAN port in the previous step will go to. For a PlayStation, this could be found in the Network Settings menu. The WAN ports field will be the same value as the LAN ports field from above. In the last step, you choose which type of network port to open, TCP or UDP. Generally speaking, it's fine to open both. While troubleshooting port forwards, it's best to open more ports than you think you need. Then, once your application is working, you can go back and pare it down to a shorter list of only the ports that are required. Click Submit and your port forward rule will be activated. As always, you can reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.